The Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN), in an article dated Friday 5th February 2021, has informed all deposit money banks, non-financial institutions, other financial institutions in Nigeria to stop having transactions in cryptocurrency or facilitate payments for cryptocurrency exchanges. Let's talk about this. My name is Ovi Mark. You're welcome to Artified Optimist. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and also click the bell notification icon so that anytime I drop new videos you can be notified. Also click the like button, share the video, and drop your comments in the comment section below. Let me quickly state here that this discussion is not intended to be a legal advice or a professional advice to anyone. It is just a pigment or pigments of my imagination and of my opinion. They are my personal opinions. Now, for those of you who are new to the world of cryptocurrency, you might be wondering, what the heck is cryptocurrency? So according to Wikipedia, cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange, wherein individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger existing in a form of computerized database using strong cryptography to secure transaction records, to control the creation of additional coins, and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. It typically does not exist in physical form. Take note of that, like paper or money, and is typically not issued by a central authority. Now, these are the things I want you to pick from that definition. Cryptocurrency is not physical money like paper that you're used to, and two, it is not controlled by central authority. When this news was dropped, I tried asking myself, why are governments in places like Nigeria and India, because this sort of a thing has happened in India also, why are they trying to regulate or have control over transactions done in cryptocurrency? You can see from the definition I just read to you that cryptocurrencies are not controlled or regulated by central authorities. Now, bring it back to Nigeria. All cryptocurrency transactions, whether they be Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, or whatever it is, they are not regulated by the Central Bank of Nigeria. And according to the Central Bank of Nigeria, in this article that I quoted earlier, they are trying to regulate this because according to them, all transactions done in cryptocurrencies are not regulated. Therefore, in case of losses or disputes, there is no way that the parties involved can get redress legally. So the central bank is out to make sure that they protect the citizens of the country according to them. All right, so we have established that cryptocurrencies are digital money and they are not physical, and as such they are not regulated by central authorities like central banks in Nigeria. So in an article released by the federal government, they instructed all commercial banks to close accounts belonging to crypto exchanges and other businesses transacting in cryptocurrencies. The thing here is that the central bank basically has authority over regulated financial institutions in the country. Okay, but there are also other bodies like money exchangers who are not regulated by the central government, and the central government cannot control some of these bodies, so to say. Now, so I got curious and I wanted to see what are those institutions or financial institutions that are actually regulated by the federal government or the Central Bank of Nigeria. And I'm just quickly going to read out some of these bodies that are regulated by the government. So if you've done transactions, Bitcoin transactions through any of these bodies, your money at this moment may actually be at risk. And these bodies are the Bureau de Change, known as the BDCs, commercial banks, development financial institutions, discount houses, finance companies known as FCs, holding companies known as HCs, merchant banks, microfinance bank (MFBs), non-interest banks, primary mortgage banks (PMBs), payment service banks. So these are the list, or this is a list of the regulated financial institutions in the country at the moment, about 11 of them. So if you've done Bitcoin or cryptocurrency transactions through any of these bodies, then your account is at the risk of being shut down, because that's the instruction from the federal government, that all regulated financial institutions should holding accounts of cryptocurrencies be shut down with immediate effect. Now, this announcement by the federal government has thrown up lots of questions in the minds of those who deal with cryptocurrency. Questions like, is cryptocurrency illegal? Is cryptocurrency, can the Nigerian government stop or halt the transaction of Bitcoin or modify Bitcoin in some way? The question is, Bitcoin is traded, or Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, they are traded globally, and they are not regulated by any government of the world. That's why they're known as peer-to-peer. So they operate freely. That's why cryptocurrency transactions are usually very fast and prompt. The only downside is that they are not regulated by financial or by government bodies. As such, when there are cases, when there are losses, the people who are at the side of the loss cannot be compensated in any way. So in this sense, the federal governments of countries do not have control over cryptocurrencies. This is the reason why some governments are fighting hard to make sure they're able to regulate it, and they're able to serve justice where there is a misdeed in these transactions. So bringing it back to Nigeria, now this is just my own opinion, is cryptocurrency illegal in Nigeria? Before I tell you that, or I give you my mind about that, it should be recalled that on the 28th of February 2018, Nigeria's Apex Bank had, in a circular titled "Virtual Currency is Not Legal Tender in Nigeria," made a proclamation saying cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Repos, Monero, Litecoin, Dogecoin, OneCoin, etc., and exchanges such as NairaX are not licensed or regulated by the CBN. Now, so for a lot of people who trade in cryptocurrencies, what they do is, when they make their money in cryptocurrencies, they seek the help of middlemen like exchangers, okay, like NairaX, Naira for dollar, and the rest. Now, according to this report that I just read to you, the central bank claims that these exchanges are not regulated. What that means is that they do not have a way of controlling how money exchanges, or how cryptocurrency exchanges between you and these exchangers. So if there is a loss, there's no way they can actually help you. Okay, so the circular further warns that for the avoidance of doubt, dealers and investors in any kind of cryptocurrency in Nigeria are not protected by law. Okay, virtual currencies are traded in exchange platforms that are unregulated all over the world. Consumers may therefore lose their money without any legal redress in the event these exchanges collapse or close business. This is according to the Central Bank of Nigeria. But the question we'd like to ask ourselves is that over these years, a lot of Nigerians, despite this warning from the central bank, they kept on trading cryptocurrencies, and trust me, a lot of people have made money out of this. Some of them have based their major source of income on cryptocurrencies. If you go to social platforms, social forums, and the rest, social media, you'll find out that a lot of Nigerians are making money through cryptocurrency. And I had to go through a Google search this morning, and I discovered that Nigeria ranks amongst the top set of people who patronize cryptocurrency. Okay, now this recent circular, however, pays no mind to Nigeria's Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), statement on digital assets, okay, their classification and treatment, published on the 14th of September 2020. The SEC in this statement recognized that digital assets offerings provide alternative investment opportunities for the investing public, and as such needed to operate in a manner that is consistent with investor protection, the interests of the public, market integrity, and transparency. It announced its guidance on the regulation of crypto token or crypto coin investment, which it said qualified as investment for securities transaction. The difference of opinion between the SEC and the CBN reflects the dilemma that cryptocurrencies denote as a tradable asset. Now this brings a problem to us because the Nigerian Securities and Exchange Commission has seen cryptocurrencies as an alternative. The major regulatory body for financial transactions in the country, which is the CBN, at the moment is not in support of transactions done using cryptocurrency. Therefore, it has instructed all of its regulated financial bodies. I already told you those financial bodies earlier. So what is the way forward for Nigerians who have acquired cryptocurrency legally and are seeking for ways to get some profit maximization or capital maximization from their investments in cryptocurrency? Well, in my opinion, I think one way to do that would be to look for a processor at the moment, since cryptocurrencies are not illegal in the country as of now. There's only a ban on trading them through regulated financial institutions. As of now, you could look for an exchange or a payment processor that can convert your Bitcoin to some other cash types that are regulated by the Central Bank of Nigeria, like your dollar or your Great British Pound. And when that is done for you, you can now go through your regulated financial institutions like your banks and then convert these cash back into Naira. I think that's just one way you can go. And at the moment, another option could be to just stick it out and continue using the peer-to-peer exchange sites that you've used all this while. Right now, I don't think these sites like NairaX and Naira for dollar are illegal or operating illegally, because if they were, they would have clamped down all these years. The only thing is that they are not regulated by the Central Bank of Nigeria, so you might still go through them, but you would rather do your due diligence by contacting them to know if they still would render services in the area of cryptocurrencies. Okay, this news just came out yesterday, so we're going to wait till the coming week to see if these exchanges will still do transactions in cryptocurrency. If they will continue, then good for you. For people who use apps like Luno, I went through Luno inquiry page a while ago, and at the moment Luno is encouraging its clients to quickly convert their monies domiciled in cryptocurrency into Naira, so they can have their money before there is a total shutdown. So they're gradually wrapping up on cryptocurrencies trading for Nigerians at the moment. Okay, you might just as well go out and check out other exchanges like Paxful and the rest. Okay, so as it is right now, that's not to say the federal government is not saying that do not participate in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency as a Nigerian. They're only saying do not transact through the regulated bodies. Okay, and why are they saying this? Because cryptocurrencies are not yet regulated by the central bank. Now, other so noticeable personalities in the countries have come out, like Atiku Abubakar, former presidential aspirant, has come out to say that instead of the government outrightly shutting down or cryptocurrency transactions in the country. They should instead look for a way to regulate it so that people can keep trading in it, but in a regulated and legal manner. As it is right now, cryptocurrencies is one of the source of income being poured into the country, and now we can kind of like see reasons why the government wants to shut down cryptocurrency, because Nigeria is purely an import based country. For an import based country, we're going to need all the finances we can get domiciled here in the country so that we can use them to import. With the use of cryptocurrencies, a lot of our currencies or monies will have to be domiciled in other people's countries, and that will not, according to them, that will not do the economy so much good. But cryptocurrencies have created lots of jobs and livelihood for a lot of people all over the country. Coming months and the coming days, we'll see where the government will go with this. In India, where this kind of a radical approach was taken, the ban was on for 2 years, and then after 2 years, the Supreme Court of the nation ruled and reverted the ban, and trades in cryptocurrencies are back. I don't know if Nigeria will take that same approach. Let's see how the situation unfolds in our country, Nigeria. Still your boy Ove Mark. You're still tuned to Artified Optimist. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel so that anytime we drop new videos you can be notified. Also click the bell notification icon. Share your views in the comment section. If your views and opinions differ with the opinions that I dropped here, you can always let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay blessed, stay cool.